Hi, good evening.
How are you? How are you doing?
I am doing good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fantastic. Thank you for asking me. So, since we are meeting very first
Okay.
time, so let's break the ice. So, would you like to introduce yourself?
Okay, thank you so much. I have wonderful opportunity introduce in front of you. My name is Vinod. I
Mm.
live in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I am doing job. I have data entry work and I have completed Bachelor of Arts and thank you so much. Can you
Okay.
introduce yourself?
Yeah, definitely. So, thank you for giving your introduction. Yeah, I'm definitely give my introduction. So, as you already know, my name is Arshi. I am from UP, Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my academics, so I am post graduated in chemistry, and furthermore, I did B.Ed, and then I was working. But unfortunately, I can say that now I am not working. This year, I am on a mission to refine my conversational skill, and along with that, I am an enthusiastic learner and keen interested in learning this language. And also, if I talk about my hobbies, I have a bunch of hobbies. I love reading, writing, not writing. I love reading, cooking, stitching, traveling, and talking to people and making content for my YouTube channel. I also have a YouTube channel. I forgot to mention. I also have a YouTube channel where I upload English conversation videos. Yeah, that's pretty much about me.
Okay, so you are working. Okay, so like which field you are working?
Okay, I am not working, but yes, earlier I was working. I was working as a chemistry teacher. I used to teach chemistry subject 9 to 12. Like 9 to 10th, I used to teach some science. It's a combined subject. And 11 to
Okay,
12, I was teaching chemistry subject separately.
okay, so now you are not working. You are making a video only.
Yeah, now, and yeah, I can say, but at the same time, I'm giving tuition at my home. So now I can say I am engaged, I'm occupied with something that I have been doing by sitting at home. Yeah.
Okay, so you choose teaching field and you are teaching students. So uh, it is it is easy or it is hard teaching is I think it is very difficult and you are chemistry teacher and if I talk about chemistry and we cannot remember a long time, so tell me about
Mm-hmm.
how to teach chemistry.
Yeah, I think similarly, as you said that we cannot remember for the long period of time. Of course, I completely agree with you. But the thing is that if you are revising every single day, if you are giving time for your subject, so obviously you will be able to remember all of these things. And of course, when we teach, so that time, while before teaching any concept or any chapter, we studied a lot. At that time, we study on the every nuances of this of that concept and on that topic. So that's why it has become easier to teach. And now I am much familiar because I was teaching every single day the same subject. So of course I was revising so many things. So that's why it was easy for me to remember. Not everything, but yeah, something there was something that I still remember, and also I have remembered so many things till now. Even though I am not teaching, I am not working as a full time. But yeah, I am also teaching at my home, so that's why I am familiar, and I can remember for a long time.
If I talk about, I had given exam 2013, and mm,
Okay, so
I got
mhm.
I got I got 33 number uh, in chemistry.
When in your 12th.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so you have
I
studied.
was talking about 12th 2013.
Okay, you
So,
you
and
have.
that time
Mhm.
it was difficult for me.
I can understand. I can also I can see that you just passed your exam. You just passed 33. Otherwise, if you will one
No,
number.
no, 2013. Sorry for that. 2013.
Oh, no, no, I think I'm not getting your point. What are you trying to say?
2013. Uh,
You. Oh,
I had passed the exam.
okay. 2013,
Chemistry
you have
subject.
given exam.
Okay, you got it my point?
Yeah, yeah, I got it. But you are saying that you gave exam in 2013.
Okay, sorry for that. Uh, so,
Yeah.
oh,
Okay, so now tell me what do you do? Like as you mentioned, but I think I did not hear you properly at that time when you were mentioning your part.
I have data entry work. Okay,
Okay,
I
so
have data entry
what was
work.
your
I
qualification? What is your qualification?
I have completed Bachelor of Arts, but I am working private company. So, private company provide data, some data, and
Okay, okay. I think I'm not
I verify that
familiar.
data.
Okay, okay, okay. So how long have you been working out there?
I have been working for 1 year.
For last year you have been working. Okay. So did you do any other job, or is it your first job, or before that you were doing something else? What were you doing before this job?
It is okay. I have completed BA, and after that, I am doing job.
Okay. Which kind
I
of job
am
do
doing
you do? Which kind of job you were working after completing your BA? Because in this job you are
I
in.
told you.
Mhm.
I told you I have data entry work, and after completing BA, and I am doing a job.
Okay, that's great. So, how long have you been learning this language?
I have been learning this language for 6 months, and it is very difficult, and my main purpose is, if my English is good, after that I can get a good job.
Of
I
course.
think.
Yeah, we are on the same page, and I entirely agree with you because this English, I would say, this language opens lots of doors for opportunities, and of course, in your job, it plays a vital role in your job for getting promotion, for getting job, and everything. So
Yes.
I completely agree. It really plays an essential role in your career. And this
Okay,
is
so you are teaching. I am asking, so uh, which medium you are teaching?
okay. So I was teaching in Hindi medium because my mother tongue is Hindi. So I was teaching in Hindi medium. That was Hindi medium
Okay,
school. But I was
okay,
teaching, yeah, that subject in English. Like I was teaching subject, I was teaching chemistry in mix. Like there was some Hindi and some English. There was mixing of language, Hindi plus English.
can you teach English medium or not?
No, it was not English medium. It was completely Hindi medium. But teaching in Hindi of chemistry subject is literally so hard. So that's why I was teaching in Hindi plus English. There was mix of language.
Okay, so nowadays students are teaching English medium. So
Hmm.
English
Yes.
medium, so you should learn how to teach English medium, and you can teach in English medium. So you have to try, and
That's
after
why.
that you can be teach.
Hmm. Okay, I got your point. Like I said, that this year I am on a mission to refine my conversational skill, and I'm also improving my communication just because of getting a good job in a value school, in English medium school. So that's why I'm preparing myself to get a better job this year, or maybe if I will not get a job this year, so I will apply next year. So yeah, it is obvious that I have been learning for just getting a good job, for just improving my communication skill, and at the same time to get a fluency in this language.
Okay, great.
And I'm
So
giving, even now I'm giving tuition at home. So in my home, I'm just teaching those students, they all are from English medium. Even though I know English, but I knew English at that time also, but I was not that much fluent in English. I think I didn't have command on this language that I could teach at that time, but now I can say I can teach very easily. Even though I have studied in English, my graduation and post graduation was in, I had given exam in English, but I was not that much comfortable with this language, and I was not that much expressive that I am today, as I am today.
okay, so I I wanted to ask you about your city. So and tell me like which city do you live?
I live in Bisnol.
Which city?
Bisnol. Have you heard about
Which
Bisnol?
city do you live?
City. Like, yeah, that's
City.
what I'm telling you. Bisnol. UP. I'm from UP. And in UP, I belong to
Okay.
Bisnol.
Are there any multinational company
No, not at all. In Noida, there are so many companies, but in Bisnol,
Okay. So
mm-hmm.
have you visit Lucknow?